Hello folks, today I'm doing a follow-up video. Well, I found out what the problem was, and it was low steering pump fluid. And there should be a cover right here just beside your timing belt. And pull that off. That's going to give you access. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn on that engine so you can hear the difference with the steering pump fluid added on. All right, so as you can tell, that song is completely gone. And again, make sure to use your owner's manual to make sure that you're getting the right steering pump fluid.